Hey guys, welcome to another edition of SPiiKA Savoir. This is where we learn French expressions that will help you to speak French and speak it right. So I hope you will enjoy this edition. Mesdames et messieurs, nous sommes ici pour apprendre une autre expression française. Alors, j'espère que vous allez l'aimer. Ready? C'est parti! The expression we're looking at today is ça alors or ça alors. It's the same thing. This is an informal French expression which means how about that or oh goodness. Literally it means this then or that then. It doesn't really make any sense when it's used in isolation. It's an exclamative expression that is used to in a varied context to express medium to strong reactions such as pleasure, incredulity, indignation, etc. As I said earlier, it doesn't really mean anything in itself or of itself. Rather, it draws attention to what is said afterward, or when you can use it to react to what someone has said. We're going to look at a few examples. Exemple 1. Il fait le tour du pays. He's touring the country. Ça alors, c'est génial. How about that? Hey, that's great. Exemple 2. Mon ami a été renvoyé. My friend has been sacked. Ça alors, il est toujours en retard au travail. Well, really, he's always late to work. Let's look at the third example. Ça alors, je n'ai jamais vu une maison si grande. My goodness, I've never seen a house this huge. So note that the way you even pronounce it depends on the context in which you're using it. Okay, if it's maybe out of extreme shock or maybe surprise or excitement based on what you have seen, you say it differently. And if we look at the previous example we saw about someone being sacked, well, mon ami a été renvoyé. My friend has been sacked. That is not an extreme emotion. So, but when you say ça alors, it means like sort of you saw it coming. So that's why I said medium to strong reaction or emotion. Now let's look at the pronunciation. You will note that we have two vowels or one vowel following another vowel, ça, okay, and then alors. Sometimes you are tempted to sort of merge the two and then say something like ça alors. No, but you have to leave a short pause, a tiny pause in between the two different words. So you have something like ça alors or ça alors. Let's try it again. Ça alors or ça alors. Always remember that when using expressions, it's not all about the words, but it's also about how you pronounce it or how you say it. Merci d'avoir suivi cette vidéo. Thank you for watching this video, and always remember to practice. C'est en forgeant qu'on devient forgeron. Practice makes perfect. Au revoir and see you next time.